Hi everyone, today we are going to see the CBSE class 8th Science chapter 17 Stars in the Solar System. 21st July 1968, the first US astronaut Neil Armstrong landed on the moon. He saw the various things that is very amazing. First, there is the no gas oxygen. It means the no one can exist the life there, no water, no sound, only there is the various things. What is that? Today video we are going to learn. Further we see the solar system. It consists of the 8 planets and the comets, meteoroids, various things. That is the depth study. Today we are going to see about that. And the moon, it's have the various phases such as the full moon, half moon, crescent moon. What is that? Today we are going to discuss one by one. So let's we see what is the stars and the solar system. Its few special aspect I want to ask you. Stars appear to move from east to west direction always. Constellations, what is the constellations? Constellations are group of the stars that are appear to form the recognizable shape, a special type of the shape that's they remain and make the constellation. The artificial satellite, first was the Aryabhat launched by the India, that is the first artificial satellite of the India, and the artificial satellites revolve around the earth, not the sun, and they are much closer than the moon. So today the various facts, various questions we are going to see in today's video. Now welcome again. Today we are going to see the chapter 17 stars in the solar system. What is the stars? Which type of the group they consist? How they make stars? And is they have their own light? Either the how it is imitate the light in the solar system. What is the solar system and how it is made up? How many the planets it have and what is the how the more than the other things? Today we are going to learn in today's video. This is the picture of the moon. Here students, this is the picture of moon, and moon also a special part of the solar system. 21st July, Neil Armstrong, USA astronaut, he first landed on the moon and he done the study about the moon. First time he had seen this picture of the moon. What he had seen further we see in the today's video. Now this is the picture of the interplay of the sun, earth and the moon. Why and what's the days they around, how much the time they take, 27 days, 28 days and the 28 days and the 24 hours. So how the day make, how the night make, we are going to see here. Now further we are going to see the moon's surface. It's the picture of the first astronaut Neil Armstrong. He landed on the moon first and he took the few photographs that's I brought for the you. This is here's the seen the various the holes type structure on the moon. So the moon's surface is covered with the dead volcanoes, various volcanoes. Once we see it, moon from the earth, so it's a shiny part we see, but actually it have the volcanoes, that is the dead, and the impacts, craters and the lava flows, and some visible to the unaided stages. Early scientists thought the dark stretches there of the moon might be oceans, and so named such the future mare, which is Latin for the seas. It may the sea also can be found there. In the Maria van there are the more than the one. So it's the things also present on the moon. Now further we are going to see the stars. What is the stars? Are you watching this picture? Is the twinkling the various stars today in our board, not in the cloud. So these stars make a special type of the group, that is the stars, and the sun is the big star of the universe, and stars they emit the light also. So the planets, the star, the moon, the other bodies in the sky are known as the celestial bodies. What is the celestial bodies? That the stars, moon and the other bodies in the sky remain, that is called the celestial bodies. In the phases of the moon occur as we can only see the part of the moon, and that reflects the light of the sun towards the us. So this is the planets and the various stars. Now we see the constellation. What is a constellation? In the astronomy, any of the certain groupings of the star, various groups that formed of the stars that were imagined, only the imagined at least by those who named them to form conspicuous configuration. Configuration is a special type of the structure. Here the stars structure of the object are the creatures in the sky. So constellation are useful in the tracking the artificial satellites and in assisting astronomers and the navigators to locate the certain stars, and while the sun play a very special role upon the solar system. Here the various type of the constellation shown here. We see the further study. Now we see the what is this? This is the picture, kindly focus here. It is the picture of the solar system. Solar system, it means the head, the big sun, that is the big star, that is the sun first, then the Mercury near the first one, second the Venus, third is us, we, earth. It means life exists here, that is why it is called the, are you watching now? Its color is the blue. Why the blue color? It's have the most part of the water, that is why once we see the earth from the space, thence its color seems such a bluish and few is the greenish. So that is why it is called the blue planet, it is called the life existing planet, and various names have our earth. Further the Mars, then the Jupiter, afterwards the Saturn, Uranus, Neptune and Pluto. Now the Pluto, it is not have in the solar system. So when the sun and the planets, we see the solar system, how they make the solar system. Our solar system consists our star, the sun and everything bound to it by the gravity, and the planets Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, dwarf planets such as the Pluto, and the dozens of the moons, dozens of the moon, not the one moon, only the one moon we can see from the earth, but dozens of the moon have the different type of the planets, and millions of the asteroids and the comets and the meteoroids have the solar system. So today we discuss all one by one. First we are going to proceeding towards the planets. A planet what? A planet is an astronomical body obtained by a star or the stellar remnant that is massive means much enough to be rounded by its own gravity, is not massive enough to cause the thermonuclear fusion, and according to the International Astronomical Union, but not all the planetary scientists has the cleared its neighboring region of the planetimals, that is the term planet is ancient with ties to history, various subjects, various titles, history, astrology, science, mythology and the religion. Apart from Earth itself, 5 planets in the solar system are often visible to the naked eye. No need to, we want to use any type of the edit to watch that. Of the deities, a scientific knowledge, advanced human perceptions of the planets changed, incorporating a number of the disparate objects in 2006. The International Astronomical Union IAU officially adopted a resolution and defining planets. It is defining planets within the solar system. This definition is controversial. It means the various type of the contradiction have here in this definition. One scientist asked different, another have the different opinion. That is the contradiction, controversial, because why? It exclude many objects to planetary mass and based on where or what they have the orbit. And although 8 of the planetary bodies, it means the 8 planets, that name I asked and later we will see, and discovered before 1950. Before the 1950 it was discovered and remain the planets under the current definition. Various type of the definition given by the different scientists. It is the solar system. This first we are going to see the Mercury. First we are going to see the Mercury. Why the first we are going to discuss, why the first we are going to talk about only the Mercury? Why? Because it is the near to the sun. On the sequence we are going to see the all the planets. That's why first we are going to discuss the Mercury, not to the Earth. Mercury, its another name is the Buddha. Mercury is the smallest and the closest planet to the sun in the solar system, and this is orbit around the sun takes 87.97 Earth days, the shortest of all the planets in the solar system. So this is the Mercury, that is the very near of the Earth. Second is the Venus, means Shukra. Venus means Shukra. Venus is the second planet from the sun. First is the Mercury from the sun, second is the planet from the sun is the Venus. And after the Roman goddess of love and the beauty, and is the only planet named after female, Venus, Shukra. And Venus may have been named after the most beautiful deity of the pantheon because it shows the brightest among the 5 planets known to ancient astronomer. So it was the second, that name is the Venus. First was the Mercury. Now let's see the third one, that is very crucial for us. That's name is the Earth. Why the Earth is called in the Hindi the Prithvi? Our Rishi Muni asked this, the Prithvi. Earth is the third planet from the sun and the only the astronomical object known to harbor life. About 29% of Earth's surface land consisting the continents. So this is the picture of the Earth. From this picture took from the space, how it look. Few part is the lookish, the darkish, bluish, and few part are the greenish. So why? Because it also the called the life existing planet. Now let's we talk about the Mars. Mars means in the Hindi the Mangal. Mission Mangal also the movie. It may be you watch. There the asked about the Mars, and the few scientists for a long time they want to know, is it possible the existence of the life on the Mars planet. So here the fourth planet from the sun, not the earth, from the sun. Mars is dusty and the cold desert in the various type of the world with a very thin atmosphere, and the latest 10 things to accept in this planetary. But now still it's update that Mars haven't the life, because there is a life giving gas, oxygen not present, water that is the basic need of the human being, that is also not present. But continuously our scientists are discovering about this topic. Now further we are going to see the Jupiter. It means the Brahaspati, Jupiter. Fifth in the line from the sun. The Jupiter is by far and the largest planet in the solar system, and more than twice as massive as all the other planets combined. Jupiter familiar strips in the spheres actually cold windy clouds of the ammonia NH4, and the water floating in an atmosphere. Here is this thing floating on it of the hydrogen and the helium. Various type of the gases also found there. Jupiter biggest, this is the planet. Now further we are going to talk about the Saturn. In Hindi Rishi Muni ask this is the Shani. Sometime we ask now, this is the Shani's Dasha and it is very hard for us. So we are talking about the Saturn. Sometime we see this Shani Dasha come for the 7 years, 7.5. Why? Because it have the ring type of the structure, and it stacks the various type of the round, and once the timing is completion is the very slow. So how the Saturn is the sixth planet from the sun and the second largest planet. Which is the first largest planet? That is the Jupiter. Second is the Saturn in our solar system, and adorned with thousands of beautiful rings, various type of the rings. That is why the Shani, it means the Saturn have the different condition, and it is the very famous. Let's we talk about the Uranus and the Neptune. Uranus and the Neptune are the explored planets in our solar system. Apart from the voyage to the spacecraft which flew past them in the 1980s, and no human built probe has ever ventured near them, and they are also small and far away. They are the both the small and far from away, and the covering just 3.8 in the 2.3 acre seconds of the Earth's sky, and respectively.